Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. But before proceeding further in the video, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed the channel till now. Also be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So I hope that you have done both of these things. Well, let's proceed with our first opportunity, that is from Sapiens.
Hey everyone, what if I tell you that there is one platform that is going to hire you on the basis of your skill set, not on the basis of your degrees or the marks? Well, yes, there is that is relabeled by Unacademy where multiple companies, 1,000+ jobs are there which are going to hire you on the basis of relevant skill set. So all you have to do is that the link for their app is given in the description itself. Do install that app and then you have to do a simple registration process where you have to provide your mobile number. So if you are someone who is interested in business development, front-end development, back-end development, business analytics or data analytics, just choose your domain and then simply here you can see that 350 plus backend developer jobs are present with starting from 6 LPA and multiple companies gonna hire like Razorpay and all. Here they have provided a complete test structure as well that total marks is going to be 1000 and you have to get 700 out of 1000 to qualify the test. So here this is phase 1 given, phase 2 given. Everything has been provided in the details. So all you have to do is just book your free slot. Choose the language you are comfortable with. Select your test date. You have to proceed further and just simply click next and you can see that your slot booked successfully. So guys, what are you waiting for? The link for the app is given in the description itself. Do install the app, book your slot and get placed in your dream company. Happy learning guys.
So here you can see that Sapiens is basically hiring for the role of test analyst. The location is specified by them is Bangalore, and the responsibilities mentioned are that review and analyze system specification, collaborate with QA engineers to develop effective strategies and test plans, execute test cases manual or automated and analyze results, evaluate product code according to specification, create logs to document testing phases and defects, report bugs and errors to development teams, help troubleshoot issues. Coming to the requirements of proven experience of 0 to 2 years as a QA tester or similar role. So if you're a fresher or even if you're an experienced person looking for a switch or something, then this opportunity is for you. 0 to 2 years is eligible for this particular opportunity. As such, batches, if I'm going to mention that 21, 20, 2019, right? But if you are experienced, even 1 to 2 experience you are holding, then make sure to apply for it. Okay, understanding of QA methodology, programming skills should have basic understanding of any programming language, maps business and technical requirements into test cases, experience in P&C insurance, familiarity with agile framework and regression testing is a plus, ability to document and troubleshoot errors, working knowledge of test management software, excellent communication skills, attention to detail, analytical mind and problem solving skills as specified by them. Okay, passion for testing, strong organizational skill, BE, BTech, BSc in computer science engineering or a related field. Fine. Here they have specified some added advantages as well, that ability to understand and write simple XLSTS, experience with automation tests such as test complete, RFT, Selenium. So if you are interested in this opportunity, make sure to apply for it. The link for all these job roles is provided in the description itself. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is for the role of software engineer, front-end developer. This opportunity is for fresher. So this opportunity is from Cloud on Hire. So based in Bangalore, Cloud on Hire provides solutions to business problem using cutting edge technology like AWS, Big Data, Cloud and mobile. We create custom software application using .NET, React.js, Laravel and Java. We are looking for dynamic people who will be able to create a path-breaking software solution. So what your responsibilities is going to be? You will be developing front end for web application. Other position related tasks as assigned. Now location here specified also, that is Bangalore, and here you can say they have asked for education qualification, that is BE in computer science, information science. Only 2021 batch is eligible for it. Skills required are that hands-on experience in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, knowledge of React, Angular, Vue.js, knowledge of SQL desirable, ability to stay current with new technology. how will help you grow. So regarding that also they have mentioned certain point that you will directly learn from expert developers in the field. You will get an opportunity to work on the complete life cycle of project. You will get an opportunity to work on multiple technology, right? So this is the form you have to fill if you are interested in this opportunity. Okay, coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Kent RO System. They are hiring for the role of software engineer trainee. Now here they have specified the deadline as well, that from 10 November to 17th November. So 17th November is the last date, so make sure to register for it if you are interested. Okay, here eligibility graduate, postgraduate they have specified. Okay, so responsibilities of the candidate is going to be you have to build software application using language and technology of the .NET framework, write object-oriented programming, SQL queries, stored procedure, work on the entire SDLC securing application and rapid application framework. Requirements is first class BE, BTech, IT, CSC, BCA, BSc, MSc, MCA student. Freshers can apply. So if you're from 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Knowledge of Spring Framework, JPA and REST, aware of performance and scalability aspects of Java, designing and building distributed and scalable system, deep understanding of system design, data structure and algorithm, build APIs and messaging system, strong database experience, SQL or NoSQL, cloud experience, AWS preferred, knowledge of Angular 2456, good knowledge of JavaScript and TypeScript, proficient in problem solving, data structure and algorithm, experience with modern web UI framework, strong understanding of JavaScript and TypeScript, understanding of HTML, CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap. Right? So if you are eligible for this opportunity and interested as well, make sure to apply for it. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Wells Fargo. That is an internship program by them. So the deadline for this one is 30 of November. So make sure to apply before the deadline. So here you can see responsibilities of the intern are going to be assess the team in various work streams that will form the base or component of pitch books, assist with comparable company analysis, precedent transaction analysis, develop basic understanding of a sector's key performance and valuation indicators, develop working knowledge of market database tools, etc. Example factor Thomson 1, interact with multiple internal stakeholders to achieve the desired goal. Coming to the requirements, so bachelor's degree in engineering is needed. So if you're from 20 or 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. A strong inclination towards building a career in corporate finance, investment banking or capital markets, good spoken and written English skills to effectively communicate technical concepts, a strong logical, analytical skills and a systematic problem solving approach, ability to proficiently use Microsoft Office application, PowerPoint and Excel, strong time management skills and ability to work under pressure and meet strict deadlines, attention to detail and ability to ensure high quality of deliverables, right? So if you are interested in this opportunity and eligible as well, so make sure to apply for this opportunity. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, just a request that do share this video among your friends as well who are eligible. If you have any sort of WhatsApp group or something where you guys are connected, just share these videos related to Harry, because they are definitely going to be helpful for the students. And definitely we are making all these videos just to help you out. So please do share. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye-bye.